Hello, good morning, and welcome everyone to today's live trading session on Tuesday, June 28th, from 2022, 9:24 a.m., less than 6 minutes for the market to open, getting ready for a new day. We are watching right now live NASDAQ futures, that yesterday stalled a little bit after a big strong run from Friday. Okay, so some consolidation, shopping around, and Nasdaq right now bouncing from the 8-day moving average. So overnight session from the lows, it bounced perfectly from the 8-day moving average, now in the middle of nowhere. So what I'll be looking after the market open, this is my line in the sand, this is my supply zone, this and this one. So bulls, if they want it, they need to push it, okay, and resume higher, looking for yesterday highs of the day. But if bears want day 2 on the pullback, so yesterday we had day 1 on the pullback, if bears want it, they need to push it back below, and if this happens, I'll be looking for a retest on the 8-day moving average, and below that we have the 21-day moving average. But once again, playing careful and looking for clues on what can be the next move, either up or down. So I'll be looking, once again, I'll be looking for the leaders. What I'll be looking, 4 minutes for the market to open, guys. I'll be looking, for example, for the semis. AMD has been lagging yesterday. We played the AMD 3 times, keeping here my eye. Right now at 86, bulls needs above 87 to try to take it all the way into $90. Bears need below yesterday's lows below 85, so they can fade it back into 82. So I'll be looking for clues there. I'll be looking also for clues on IWM. Why? IWM yesterday we played short out of the gate for the gap to fill. That worked well. After that, we played the bounce for a red to green move, and looking for the gap to fill at 1776. So right now what I'll be looking, if IWM goes above 177, looking for 60 cents, 3 minutes for the market to open, guys. Looking for 60 cents from 177 all the way into 177.6 for the gap to fill up here, and from there we will evaluate. Bears need below 175, and below 175 we can roll over into 172. We also have $170 gap to fill. I'll be looking also for Facebook yesterday, most of the part of the day, big consolidation here, stalled at 171, they bought 168, so right now range here between 168 and 171. I'll be looking for a move out of the range. Bulls needs above 172 to fill the gap at 175. Bears need below 168, try to go into 165, 166. So I'll be looking for clues there. I'll be also looking for clues on the rest of the tech. 2 minutes for the market open, guys. I'll be looking for Apple. If it holds 141, if they can bounce, but if it goes below 140, we have a gap to fill at 138.5. I'll be looking for clues there. Amazon yesterday big fade, held the 8-day moving average 112, right now at 113, needs to hold 112, otherwise if it fails, looking for 111, 110. Also looking for Microsoft, that stalled yesterday, 268. It was the level that they sold. Looking if it holds 264 can bounce, but below 263 I'll be looking for this gap to fill at 259.3, so keeping my highs also here. Nvidia also big pullback, bounce from the 21-day moving average. I'll be looking if 166 is going to hold. If it holds, can print here an inside day, but if it breaks below 166, can go ugly and going all the way into 160. So my eye is also here. 1 minute for the market to open, guys. SPY stalled at 391. Small range here between 387 391. Bulls needs above 391 to try 395. Bears needs below 387 to go into 382. Also gap to fill 372. Tesla, of course, also a focal, stalled yesterday 756. Looking here for below 730, looking for 715 as a possible target. So 30 seconds for the market open, guys, and entering trading mode. AMD some fading, 15 seconds for market to open. 10 seconds. 5, good luck, guys. So the market open, AMD fading a bit, IWM trying 177, Boeing, big pop on Boeing, big pop on Boeing. AMD trying to bounce. IWM fading. 177. Boeing fading. Big pop on Boeing. AMD is red. Apple some relative strength. I got some calls on AMD. Okay, let's see AMD. IWM trying to fill the gap on IWM. IWM going. IWM going. Boeing going. Boeing very, very strong. AMD going. AMD going. Here we go. Here we go. Trimming some on AMD. Nice move. From 80 cents to 110. Amazon bouncing. Meta bouncing. Big move on Nvidia, guys. Apple very strong. Apple very strong, holding the momentum for now. Apple yesterday showed some relative strength, so let's see. Amazon bouncing. Okay, Amazon bouncing from the 8-day moving average, need to hold. Okay, trimming some more. Oracle going. Oracle some move on Oracle. Oracle going. Some calls at 80 cents on Oracle. Apple very strong. Okay, IWM filled the gap. So from yesterday, fill the gap, 1776. Okay, so the gap is filled on IWM. Now we wait. Meta some fading. Meta some fading. I got some puts on Meta. Meta some fading. Meta fading. Meta fading. Nike big reversal up. Nike big bounce on bull flow on Nike. Not chasing, but Nike big move. Big reversal. Okay, I sold Facebook, Bit Shopee. I sold AMD. Amazon big bounce. Okay, I got back into puts on Meta. Got back into AMD. Sold Meta. Big move on Boeing. Huge move on Boeing. Huge move on Boeing. Okay, trimming some on AMD. Apple strong. Amazon new highs on the day. Nice bounce. IWM trying to hold 177. Okay, AMD, let's see if it goes. Needs a push here, AMD. IWM some fading. Okay, AMD needs a move. Needs above 87 on AMD. Here we go, AMD. Nice on AMD. Here we go. Come on. Second time on AMD today. AMD needs a move above 87 to go. Several times on AMD. AMD going now. Needs a push. AMD goes back into the green. AMD goes back into the green. Here we go, AMD. Second attempt. Let's go. Come on, push. Push. Here we go. That's it, guys. Nice move. Second time, trimming some at 110 from 80 cents. Second time today. Nice move. Here we go. Come on, guys. Push. AMD needs above 87. Meta pushing. 171. AMD needs above 87, guys. Boeing, huge move. Huge move on Boeing. Congratulations to all the longs. So I'm trying to be patient here with AMD. Apple stalled. 143 again. Trying to be patient here with AMD. So we are long on AMD, guys. We have calls on AMD twice today, 2 times. Second time okay, I got some puts on IWM. Got some puts on IWM. Apple some fading. So we are long on AMD and short on IWM. It's my edge on IWM. IWM filled the gap at 177. Let's see. So we are long on AMD, short on IWM. AMD trying to hold. Needs a push above 87 on AMD. Nike fading. They selling Nike now. Nike fading. So watch out. So I keep the short on IWM and the long on AMD for now, but getting ready to close AMD if it fails. Okay, Meta some fading now. Microsoft fading. Microsoft not pretty. Microsoft has a gap to fill at 259. Trying to be patient here, but action getting choppy. Okay, I got some puts on Microsoft. Trying to be patient here with AMD, but AMD needs above 87. IWM keeps squeezing. I head to the IWM short. I sold AMD. Took the gains on AMD. IWM keeps squeezing. Trying to hold the short on Microsoft, and for now trying to hold also the edge here on IWM. Microsoft needs below 263. AMD, I took the gains, but getting choppy now. I add more to the IWM short. So right now we are short on IWM and also on Microsoft. Let's see. Microsoft has a gap to fill at 259. So we are short on Microsoft for now and also IWM. Trying to be patient. Nike goes green to red. Huge reversal on Nike. Not pretty. Big bounce out of the gate and then gave it all back. So they sold the rip here, so careful. On AMD we played twice on those calls, and those worked well. So I took the gains, but the choppy action this morning, so choppy action. MO, some bull flow on MO. Got some calls on MO. not sure what is happening here. MO. MO bouncing. So we are short on Microsoft and short on IWM and some longs on MO. Okay, Microsoft goes green to red. I trim some on MO, Microsoft fading. So Microsoft, the gap fills at 259.3. Okay, I'm also holding the short on IWM. IWM coming now. So we are short on Microsoft and IWM, guys. Trying to be patient. Nike, ugly reversal. Okay, Microsoft coming. We are short on IWM and Microsoft, guys. Microsoft coming. Microsoft coming. Here we go. Come on, new lows on the day. Come on. You can do it. Come on, push. Come on. Microsoft coming. Microsoft coming. New lows on the day on Microsoft. Okay, IWM coming now. MO new highs on the day. So we are short on Microsoft, trimming some. We are short on Microsoft, we are short on IWM. Nice, trimming some of the gains. So we are short on Microsoft and IWM, guys. IWM fading now from the highs. Okay, IWM fading. Nice, nice short. Nice short, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Microsoft diving. Microsoft diving. Beautiful short, guys. Beautiful short. Keep trimming. Keep trimming. Okay, Microsoft going. New lows on the day as we speak. The gap fills at 259. Nice short on Microsoft, guys. Nice short. Now let's see. 263 needs below 263 to go into 259 to fill the gap on Microsoft. Microsoft coming. Microsoft heavy. So we are short on Microsoft and IWM. Microsoft fading. Microsoft making a nice move slowly, trying to be patient here. So we are short on Microsoft, short on IWM, and long on MO. Okay, one of the clues is that Nike, okay, Nike, they basically sold the RIP. So, and we are seeing many names as Apple that is giving back most of the gains. Okay, Apple fading. Okay, Apple, some bear flow now on Apple. Don't forget that Apple has a gap to fill at 138. Okay. Okay, IWM coming now. Okay, I sold MO. And I'm holding only IWM short and Microsoft short. AMD, we tried along, that did not work. That's why we step aside, and yep, it's fading. So when the trade not working, you step aside and look for other trades. That's why we shorted Microsoft to fill the gap at 259. And also we shorted IWM. IWM was a bit extended. The idea on IWM was to fill the gap at 177.6. It filled the gap, now fading and making very, very nice gains on both shorts. Okay, Microsoft coming fast now. Okay, here we go. That's it, guys. Come on, push. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Beautiful short, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful short on Microsoft. Some acceleration now. Okay, trimming some above 150 on Microsoft. Also trimming some on IWM. Nice shorts, guys. Nice shorts. So now we wait and see. Now we wait and see. So keep managing. Okay, we are short on Microsoft and IWM. IWM, okay, we can watch it here. IWM, the plan was to fill the gap at 177.6. It filled the gap, and the market was a little bit heavy, so I short. It gave time, okay, on IWM. It gave time to head to more shorts. So an IWM coming now nicely. So yeah, keep riding, keep riding. Apple new lows on the day, also not pretty on Apple. The gap on Apple fills at 138, okay. 138.5, so watch out. Okay, on AMD, yeah, AMD some selling pressure now, some bear flow, watch out. Some bear flow on AMD, bear flow on AMD, guys. AMD bear flow, careful. So we are short on Microsoft. Microsoft keeps making new lows on the day. Here we go. We are short on Microsoft and IWM. So far so good. Okay, IWM. Okay, now being patient. Okay, being patient. Meta fading now. Don't forget that we have the morning puts. Okay, Meta coming. IWM coming. Here we go, guys. Here we go. That's it. So I'm holding the short on IWM and Microsoft. So far so good. So IWM puts in the money as we speak. Our IWM puts are in the money as we speak. Okay, IWM coming. Nice short on IWM, guys. Okay, Nasdaq goes green to red. Here we go. Here we go. Beautiful shorts, guys. Beautiful short. IWM new lows on the day, Microsoft new lows on the day, Nvidia new lows on the day. Beautiful. Here we go. IWM coming. Nice shorts. So let's see, the size of the pullback will give us clues on what's next. So far so good. We are short on IWM, Microsoft from the open. Also AMD, we closed and I highlighted now bear flow, so watch out. On Meta, we were short on Meta early in the morning. They squeezed, I got out, and they taking lower as we speak. Dream Sam on IWM short making 60% gains, so take Sam. Microsoft is making 40% gains, so yeah, take some of the gains off, guys. So IWM, the line in the sand is at around 175. Okay, I'm trying to be patient. So we are short, guys, with 40 minutes since the open. We are short on IWM and Microsoft. AMD, we closed the longs. It was not breaking above 87, so it gave some nice cash flow. And I booked the gains, and it was the right thing to do, as it faded below yesterday low, so right now not not pretty. Okay. Amazon bounced, but rolling over again. So watch out, already below yesterday lows. So also not very pretty. Boeing gave a big move. In my opinion, on the short term, we topped on Boeing today. Okay, so take the gains, in my opinion. 147. Okay, another WM. I'm trying to be patient. 175.6 is the 8-day moving average. Sorry, the 21-day moving average on IWM. The 8-day moving average is at 173. Meta, they push above 171 a little bit just to bring it back down. Needs below 168 on Meta to break down. Microsoft was a beautiful short. It showed some weakness early morning. We are playing for the possible gap filling at 259, but keep taking trades. Keep taking trades. Okay, AMD trying to hold $84. Not easy as deep buyers keep stepping in. Amazon is getting close the 21-day moving average, so keeping my eye. SPY very back into the open. Tricky here. Tricky. Trying to be patient. That's why we take gains on the way, guys. That's why we take gains on the way. Tesla rejected again at 750. That's a big supply zone, 750. Nike very ugly. Actually, one of the reasons I got short on the market was basically because they sold here big rip higher on Nike just to give it all back. So they sold the rip. So algos were programmed to sell the rip, so they sold it, and that was one of the reasons why I got short. Okay, Microsoft trying to hold 262, needs below 262 to go into 259 to fill the gap. Trying to be patient. That's why, once again, that's why you take profits, okay? Amazon ugly at the lows. Boeing, in my opinion, it's a day to take gains on the longs, not to head to the longs. IWM shopping around with 177. Meta still inside 168, 171 range. Not much to do. Bears needs below 168. Bulls needs above 171. MO I closed. Not much to do here, guys. Nvidia right at the 8-day moving average. Choppy, very, very choppy. Apple fading. So some selling pressure on tech. Day 2, tech heavy. Amazon right near the 8-day moving average. Not pretty, guys. I'm with patience holding the short on Microsoft and IWM. Okay, Microsoft still has a gap to fill at 259. $3 to go if they want. Tesla also fading from 750, sorry. I'm trying with patience, but this is choppy, slow, choppy. Not much conviction here. So take trades. Apple heavy. Yeah, tech still heavy. So I'm holding the short for now on Microsoft and IWM. Nvidia getting close for that moving average. Yeah, but action stalled. Action stalled. Okay, SPY fading, cubes fading. Cubes are very, very heavy, guys. Cubes are very, very heavy. The gap on the cubes filled at 285.7, so watch out. So as a reminder is we are at 10:20, 50 minutes for since the market opened. We played long twice on AMD on the bounce. I closed the trade as it was not breaking above 87, was making a lower high, and from there I closed the longs and flip into short on Microsoft. Microsoft new lows on the day as we speak. And I also shorted IWM as IWM had filled the gap at 177.6, and I decided to fill to play the other side as the stock was a little bit too extended. So we are short on Microsoft and IWM. Also, we shorted early in the morning. We shorted Facebook. I closed mine because they pushed above 171, so I decided to close. But it was a bull trap and basically coming back down. So congratulations if you held. Okay, so we are going for the next leg down. Let's see. IWM, lots of room. Okay, lots of room. Not sure where they are going to stall the move. Okay, trimming some more on Microsoft. On IWM, I'm trying to be patient. Not sure where they are going to catch a knife. Tesla goes green to red. Okay, IWM coming. Being patient. SPY new lows on the day. SPY cubes new lows on the day. Nice short, guys. Okay, IWM coming. So on IWM we have 175 and 174.20 yesterday lows. So yeah, we have possible $2 downside move on IWM if they want. First, they need to push it from green to red, and from there rolling over. So I'm holding with patience. Okay, volatility new highs on the day. So volatility new highs on the day. Things getting a little bit shaky, but not falling apart. So who knows? Boeing, as I said, to sell 147, right now 143. As I've said, it was at 147. In my opinion, we have here a short-term top, but who knows? Apple still inside day. Needs below yesterday lows, trying to hold 141. AMD trying to hold 84. Needs above 85. Amazon right at the 8 moving average. Okay, IWM trying to be patient. We have some levels all the way into 174, so who knows? Meta still inside the range, 168, 171. Bears needs below 168 to try to go all the way into 160. Microsoft trying to hold to 62. Bears need below 262 to try to take it all the way into 259. The idea on Microsoft was to fill the gap at 259, but needs below 262. Nike real ugly. Okay. Nike gave the clues when they sold the spike. Okay. Nvidia right at the support line. Now needs some patience. Cubes also rejected at 295. Bears need below 291. Below 291 can go ugly on the cubes. SPY 389. They're trying to hold 389. Tesla Shopee. Slow and Shopee action, guys. Slow and Shopee. ENDP spikes at 50 cents. ENDP. So I'm trying to be patient here with the shorts. We are short on AWM, Microsoft. But it's a pain in the ass right now. Wall spikes, wall spikes. Wall spikes. I'm not chasing any of this. I'm riding the shorts on IWM. IWM coming nicely, guys. IWM and Microsoft. Microsoft needs below 262. IWM needs below 176. With patient SPY cubes rolling over. Okay, here we go. So IWM below yesterday highs, so we have here a reversal sell. Reversal sell with lot of downside. So watch out. Okay, cubes below yesterday lows. So we are holding the short on IWM and Microsoft, guys. If IWM goes below 174, watch out for a reversal sell and engulfing day. Here we go. Here we go. That's it. Push. Sell program. Sell program. Here we go, guys. Microsoft coming. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, trimming some on Microsoft above 180. Okay. Microsoft almost filling the gap. Okay, trimming some on IWM at 190. Nice shorts, guys. Nice shorts. So IWM coming. Let's see if IWM goes green to red. Many names already did it. Whoa keeps going. Amazon dives. Amazon very ugly, guys. Amazon very ugly. Whoa. Very ugly on Amazon. AMD new lows on the day following that bear flow. Thank God that we closed the calls and booked the gains, because the action getting ugly now. Apple also. New lows on the day following the bear flow. Action on basically on tech land, guys. Action. Action, fading on Techland, Microsoft. NIO, some bear flow on NIO. So we are short on Microsoft. The gap on Microsoft fills at 259. Not sure if it's going there or not. I cannot predict the future. The NDP keeps going. I'm trying to be patient here with the shorts. We are making, as we speak, 50% on Microsoft and 65% on IWM shorts. Very shoppy, guys. Very, very shoppy. Very, very slow and shoppy. NDP keeps going. Boeing keeps fading. As I said today, Boeing was a short instead of a sell or of a buy. So yeah, Boeing coming. Nike very ugly. New lows on the day once again on Nike. So Nike it was the name that gave clues, guys. They sold the spike. This spike out of nowhere, big spike just to give it all back. Goes into 114 just to go into 105. This is ugly as hell. Okay, trying to be patient here with the IWM short. Boeing 142's levels. Boeing coming. Nice short on Boeing. Boeing coming. Tesla spikes down, guys. Spikes down Tesla below 730. Watch out. Spy goes green to red. Facebook no man land. 168, 171 range. Okay, I sold Microsoft. Maybe too soon, but I took the gains. Very slow, guys. Slow, very, very slow. Cubes very weak. So I'm trying to be patient here with the IWM short. I booked the gains on Microsoft. The idea on Microsoft was to fill the gap at 259, but yeah, I took the gains. I'm happy with the gains. So now trying to be a little bit more patient with the IWM. IWM has room if they want, has room to go into 174. Even if it goes lower, we can go into 173. So, and IWM fading now. Here we go. Come on. Make new lows. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. IWM. Here we go. New lows on the day on IWM. We almost a double, guys. Almost a double. IWM new lows on the day. 90% gains as we speak. Trim some more. AMD, we did well closing those calls. The bad part is that I didn't reverse into puts, but I cannot get any single trade on the market. So if you remember, I closed the calls. I said that I was seeing bearish options activity, and I flip into Microsoft short and also on IWM short. IWM, if you remember, IWM was pushing, making new highs on the day, and we were loading on more puts on IWM, so that helped a lot. Okay, and yep, we making 90% gains as we speak on IWM. So yeah, let's see if it goes into green to red on IWM. SPY very ugly. The SPY gap fills at 378, so basically $10, and we are right now at 388. So if they push below 387, we have possible move into 378. So $10 if it break down. That's ugly. ENDP 59 cents. Beautiful move. ENDP, guys. Gave you at 50 cents right now. More 20 cents from the alert. Well done. Nike really ugly. So what? Once again, what you do, okay, to try to see where they are going to push next? You look for clues, okay, and one of the clues was actually this Nike spike. Really was a tricky one. Did not make much sense, but look how they are acting right now. On the first 5-10 minutes of the day, big short squeeze, killed everyone just to push it back down, and goes from 114 to 105. So when I saw that they saw the spike, okay, that's giving a signal that the market is selling the spike, okay, and precisely the same thing happened with Microsoft, and that's why I reversed. I knew that Microsoft had a gap to fill down, okay, so that's why I got on those Microsoft puts. And on IWM was pretty much because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Today is day 5 on the move up on IWM. The idea from yesterday, if you remember yesterday, we got long on IWM calls, and and I said the target was to fill the gap at 177.6. Also told you that this morning, and it gone a little bit higher, fill the gap at 1776, hit 178, and then it faded, and that's why I shorted. Okay, BTEX 10 needs a pause. The rest of the market is weak. We have SPY at the lows. Okay, with a reversal sell, and SPY can go very ugly if it goes below 387. Can go very ugly. $10 downside potential here on SPY, so watch out. And the cubes, yeah, ugly. If you remember, and I'm going to put here the chart on Nasdaq, okay, before the market open, I said that bulls need to hold here, go above here, okay, and what they did, they really push it, but they stall the move, push it back below, so this is a failed breakout, and push it back down, okay. So when this happens, you look for some fading, and you look for the names that are still on the green. And yeah, IWM was on the green, making new highs on the day, with the rest of the market falling apart. So that did not make sense, so I basically shorted. And when IWM was making new highs on the day, I was loading on more puts, and those puts right now making 90% gains. So yeah, it was a good one. I'm trying to have patience here. 1050. Volatility keeps going higher, so yeah, volatility goes from VIX goes from red to green. Okay, so yeah, watch out, guys, watch out. I also told you that you should sell the spike on Boeing, and yep, nice, sell the spike from 147 to 142, nice one, and it keep going. Once again, I'm being patient with IWM short. Let's see IWM new lows on the day as we speak. Let's look for the double, guys. Come on, push. Microsoft new lows on the day. Okay, Microsoft new lows on the day. Going for that gap fill. Very slow. SPY near yesterday lows. So below yesterday lows can go very ugly. IWM so far a nice short after filling the gap. Versus 178. Now we need to see what's next. still above 176. We need the IWM below 176. Facebook still inside there. Nvidia very ugly. AMD, good lord, that we close the calls, because otherwise we were in big trouble. That's why I keep saying you take trades. I was looking for the move all the way into $90, did not happen, so I closed. Now 82 has room to go into 79.80, so let's see where it's going to stop. Amazon also big fade. TWLO spiking. TWLO guys spiking. Some bull flow TWLO. TWLO. TWLO bouncing. TWLO bouncing. Okay, I got some calls on TWLO. I sold the IWM, took the gains. Really not sure if news, but we see a spike on volume. Okay, TWLO to go needs above 98. TWLO needs above 98 to go. Okay, TWLO going. TWLO going. Okay, TWLO going fast now. Here we go. Here we go. TWLO going. Okay, I trimmed some on TWLO. Not sure, but seems that some rumors around the TWLO. Yeah, but market slow. Market very, very slow, guys. Very, very slow and choppy action now. Okay, market's trying to bounce. Some shorts covering from the lows, guys. Okay, AMD bouncing from 82. So we have some bounces. So we did well locking the gains on those puts. Very choppy. Very slow and choppy, guys. Very slow and choppy. So AMD back above 83. Square some fading. Square some fading. Some fading on square. Boeing keeps fading. Boeing keeps fading. Nice short on that Boeing. I said that the stock was making a short-term high at 147 and coming nicely back into 142. Should go back below 142. Okay, I sold the rest on TWLO. Seems that some rumors. Yes, so we have it's 11:10, 11:11 a.m. Let's try to summarize things. I believe I'm pretty much done for now. So let's see what we did today. Okay, trying to make a review. So first thing in the morning we got some AMD calls. I was seeing a possible holding here above 85, okay, and my level to break was 87. I was looking here for a red to green move going above 87 and squeeze going into 90. So we played calls twice. That did not happen, so I closed the calls, and it was the wise thing to do. It rolled over on some bear flow, so congratulations to the shorts. Instead, I got meta puts. Okay, closed a bit too soon. I was looking for the fade on meta. It faded, but still inside the range, 168, 171. Bears need below 168 to take it all the way into 165. Bulls needs above 171 to fill the gap at 175. So let's see where it's going. And I flip into puts on Microsoft. Why? Because I was seeing that Microsoft was pretty much getting rejected again at near 267. That's a supply zone from yesterday. And I was looking for a green to red move. It did well, and so we short Microsoft. It gave time, okay, and I loaded big time on IWM puts, okay. Actually, when the IWM was making new highs on the day, I was loading more puts on IWM. Why? Because the trading plan from yesterday, if you remember, was to fill the gap at 177.6. And early in the morning I said that IWM had filled the gap. So once the gap is filled, and after 1, 2, 3, 4, today was day 5 on the move, 5 days on a row with the stock going higher, you don't head to the longs, you take your gains and look for some possible fading. That's exactly what I did. And that's why when the stock was making new highs, I was seeing relative weakness on the tech names, and IWM was outperforming, still outperforming, but too much extended, so a fade was logical, so I shorted IWM, and that played well. After that, we got also some MO, okay, some MO calls. I closed when I saw that the move stalled. I closed those calls, and also the TWLO calls. Seems that it was a rumor or something like that. I saw some bullish options activity, and I got some at 160, trimmed some at 195, and closed the rest at 160. Very small gain, but not sure. Bulls needs above 98, so put an alert if the stock goes above 98. Yeah, it can go back above $100, so keep it on your watch. Keep seeing some calls, but that's a big question if it's going or not. Seems there are some rumors on a possible takeaway from Amazon. Really, no one knows. So some speculation, some rumors. So keeping my eye here, but I closed for small gains here on TWLO, and that's pretty much it. So I'm happy with the way we sell it. Okay, on AMD we booked the gains twice. I did not flip into short. I should have flipped into short. I didn't. But I'm happy with IWM short and Microsoft short. Microsoft, the idea was to fill the gap, and yeah, it seems that's going to fill the gap. IWM short keeps going. I closed because yeah, it was shopping around, and but if IWM, we have 175 and 174 as possible levels. If it breaks down, IWM can go for a reversal sell and engulfing day. That's very bearish. And 173, and we still have a gap to fill it on IWM at 170. So watch out, man, your risk wisely. On Boeing, I said if you are long, sell the spike at 147. Right now below 142 at 141. So congratulations for the shorts. And yep, that's pretty much it. I'll be looking for new setups. Stay tuned on Discord. If I see anything new, I will let you know on Discord. Yeah, congratulations everyone. Now looking for IWM. Okay, IWM going for new lows on the day as we speak, going from green to red. Let's see it. From green to red. Come on, IWM, fade it. So very nice shorts. Very nice short. Also, I extended a little bit more in detail some of the rationale behind of the trades. So this live session is also an educational one, where I explain you a little bit the rationale, why the IWM short, why the Microsoft short, and why I step aside on AMD. And I was already heavy on IWM and Microsoft puts, so I did not push into AMD puts. But I said here it's recorded, it's live, it's recorded that I was seeing bearish options activity on AMD, so you could pull the trigger. Also on Boeing, that was at 147, it's time stamped, is recorded here, you can review it. I said you should sell the spike, not head to the longs, and from 147, 141 right now. And IWM, come on, a little bit more, go red. Okay. Okay, and goes. IWM goes green to red, falling our puts. Congratulations to the shorts. And our puts are deep in the money. So if you are short, keep riding your shorts. And yep, that's all for the live trading session for now. I'll be looking for new setups. Not looking to catch the knife. This is the on some of the names they won. But actually on Nasdaq and on the SPY and the cubes, yesterday already had the day one on the pullback, today day two, and we have lots of room for downside. We have lots of gaps to fill down, so watch out. Not trying to catch the knife. Let's wait to see where this move will stop. Okay, with this said, time to go, closing the live trading session for the day, and if I see anything new I will let you know on Discord. Stay tuned. Bye bye.